Alrighty, so I went up for a quick flight today, super quick, and I'm super glad I did. So again, I'm experimenting with different flight, or I should say photography modes on my camera, on my drone. This is cinematic, so let me know below if you like this mode, because I think this might be my favorite one yet. The color is phenomenal, and things seem crystal clear to me. Again, I'm watching on a 4K laptop, so sometimes I can see things better than other people. But let me know what you guys think. I think this might be my best footage yet, and I think I might have found the perfect mode to shoot in. All right, but just to go and describe what I saw today, there was lots of action. I was really impressed. Well, it's not impressed. I was excited to see the amount of action. So basically what I saw was a lot of footers being dug. So it looks like they're working on a brake run, if I had to guess. They're digging a straight line of footers from the area near the trailer near Minebuster's entrance all the way to Barracuda Blaster. There's like a straight line of footers, and I know that's not where the lift hill is going. The lift hill is going to be angled towards the tunnel, where it will dive and come out on Windseeker side, head over Vortex towards Timberwolf Falls, and then from there on in, I cannot predict anything. And again, I do not know anything, so I could be wrong about that as well. So they were getting Splashworks ready today. Construction is finally like going hardcore in Splashworks on Lakeside Lagoon. That is going to look phenomenal. It also looks like there's going to be 2 locker areas now. Again, I don't know. It just looks like I can see sets of footers in the same formation on different areas of the Splashworks area at the entrance. And I'm assuming that's where lockers will go. We know Splashworks is really busy at Canada's Wonderland. It's a huge draw, and they probably needed more lockers. I'm going to predict Timber Kits is probably going to be designing all of that kind of like features of the area. They'll probably have some Muskoka chairs and stuff like that. That'll be super exciting. Again, I don't know. I am predicting. So in this area, you can see the station area, the transfer track area, and there's lots of water piping on site. You can see the turquoise greenish color pipes. That is water piping. So possible splashdown, or maybe just typical water features for, kind of like a fountain area for the entrance of the ride. It could be for anything. We can't begin to predict yet. I didn't see any theming going on the other side of the tunnel, which I am predicting we should. But yeah, I'll have to stay up to date on that. We'll probably see that on Thursday when we're there. Amusement Insider's team. Sledgehammer is like hardcore. They are working on it hardcore. They have generators hooked up to it and everything. So hopefully that's open this weekend. Other than that, it's just great footage of the construction site and the little worker bees working away on building this coaster. They are building it really fast. There are a lot of footers already poured for this coaster, and I mean, like, from like literally 4 months ago to now, like they have a ton of footers, a tunnel done, track in the tunnel, and they are still going hard. So I am super excited to see the teasing campaign from Canada's Wonderland. I'm excited for the announcement. I just want to know what this thing's going to look like, but nothing is more fun than a good teasing campaign. So I am excited for them to start that. All right, have a good one, guys. Comment below what you're most excited about for this coaster project, and what you think it is and all that. Give this video a like, subscribe, and share. Awesome. Thanks so much. Have a good one, guys.